Handle it. Who won't handle me?
Brow, you got another one.
Follow me, hoes, you rusty hoes. Face like ooh.
Pretty hoes.
Booty like ah. Y'all hoes don't like me. Pussy hoes wanna fight, tighten up.
Babes, I'm back with another video. So we're gonna turn her from basic to baddie. If you want to see the outcome, make sure you guys continue to watch. Mwah. So we're gonna start with the brows, and I'm gonna use this Wonder Brow product, and I'm just gonna fill in the brows, and then after I'm just gonna outline it as well. As you can see, I'm using this angled brush just to outline the brows. So just to darken up the brows a little bit, I'm going to use this black eyeshadow, and I'm just going to fill it in just a tad bit, just to darken it up just a little bit more. Don't even mind how thick the brows are, because that's what you're going to use the concealer for. This is the concealer in the shade Fawn, and I'm just going to use that to clean up the brows and to make it a little smaller. So after using that concealer to clean up the brows, I'm just going to drag the concealer down over the eyelid just to put a base. And for the top of the brows, I'm going to use a concealer that's closer to her complexion. So because for this look we're just going natural and we're not doing eyeshadow, I'm using a concealer that's closer to her tone just to put over the eyelids. So I'm going to use this BADDIE powder to set the concealer just so that it doesn't move. I'm using this mattifying primer from JCat just to prime her face. For her foundation, I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 360. I know the foundation looks a little orange, but don't worry, once the foundation sets in, everything is going to be set. And to highlight, I'm going to go in with this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. And to blend that out, I'm just going to go in with this Real Techniques blending brush. going for a natural look to contour, I'm just going to use this eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use these dark browns just to contour a little bit. I'm going to use this banana powder just to set that highlight. And for eyeliner, I'm using this liquid matte eyeliner by NYX. So I'm highlighting with this Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. So we're back and we added some lashes. As you can see, sis is really feeling herself at this point. So I'm gonna use this glitter glue from NYX. Yes, I know it's beat up, but it still works. I'm gonna use this silver glitter from NYX as well. Let's take the time to talk about how long her hair is, but we're gonna flat iron it and we'll be right back. And just like that, a baddie in some minutes. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Tap if I don't like a hoe, you act like you like her though. Never backtrack if I ain't fuck.